hopefully he lets us drive it, take it around the block or something, maybe do some pulls in it. So we're headed over there right now, so we'll see y'all when we get there. Alright, so we're here at my boss's house again. So right here goes the Shelby truck, which I was talking about. So, you know, 750 horsepower, it is a Super Snake. What, you know what color blue is? The name of it? Blue.
It is blue.
It's all blue with the white pin stripe.
No, I'm not really sure. I heard one time somebody mention it.
Yeah, it's a nice blue, and then you got chrome wheels. Nice little seats. Then you got the little Shelby badge right there. Super Snake right here. Baby seat. Apparently I only found out only the Super Snakes come drop with these wheels. Yeah, only Super Snakes come with them. Got the Shelby. I think it was Borla or something like that. I think it was Borla. So of course they come supercharged, and they come with a Whipple. You know what size Whipple it is?
3 point something. It says right, 3.75. Oh, that's the
That's the pulley. I don't know what size Whipple it is, but it comes with that carbon fiber intake tube, looking like a K&N filter. So right now we're gonna go take it for a spin to see how it runs. Here's that supercharger one. I'm lucky, kind of scared.
Here's the head bonus.
The white. Oh, speedometer maxes out at 120. Oh, that's fine. But it's so smooth, like it doesn't feel like, oh, wish it was empty right now. That thing picks up quick. Trying to get down to 60. do in manual mode?
Oh, you were doing manual?
No, I'm just saying, how does it do?
Oh, I don't know. They said it's messing with those gears and that. Ain't no money.
Second gear. Second gear launches.
Yeah, thanks for the warning.
So we're gonna try a little hit in manual mode. There's a second gear pull.